Hi everyone, this is Alice, and we're taking a quick look here at psychosocial development in middle childhood. So let's remember for a moment, middle childhood is ages 6 to 11, and one of the important features of the psychosocial development at this for this age group is that the children are going to be expanding their social world. So think for a moment about infancy, that was 0 to 2. This child is mostly interacting with a primary caregiver, parent, or um, someone else who is the caregiver, grandparent, friend, uh, and it's a very limited social interaction in that it's with a few key people. You get to early childhood, the 3 to 6 year old, it's expanding a bit. Now they might be in a preschool setting. They might be more aware of siblings and some friends, but you get into middle childhood, and remember, this is the elementary school age years, and so now their social world is really expanding greatly. So if I reflect for a moment, the first school I went to, there were 100 students in the school, and that was a great deal more than any number of other children that I had been grouped with up until that point. So 100 kids, there were 4 different classrooms. My social world had been increased dramatically. So partner this then with the cognitive development that we've talked about, the brain maturation, movement from egocentrism to theory of mind. Now they're able to take on the perspective of other children, other people. And the piece that I have chosen for us to focus on here in middle childhood for psychosocial development is moral development, the development of morals. So you will see the 2 videos below this. One features on the life of Lawrence Kohlberg. So Lawrence Kohlberg is a developmental theorist, and he focused on morality and the development of morals over the lifespan. So he starts with children and then moves on through the lifespan. He has 3 key phases or stages that are broken down into kind of sub-stages. So first video is short. It's about his life, which I think is a really interesting introduction into his theory. The second video below here is about Lawrence Kohlberg's theory of moral development in middle childhood and beyond. So if you watch these 3 videos, including this one that you're watching right now, you've read the pages assigned in the textbook and reviewed the PowerPoints, taken some notes, you should have prepared yourself well for the quiz that is below this. So good luck to everyone, and if you have any questions, you can email me, you can phone me during our class time, and the phone number I left on the announcement page. And I may be able to set up a WebEx kind of office hours if you want to talk to me that way as well. All right, good luck.